Alright, I'm out. I believe it's Friday, but I'm not positive. The days blur together for me. I'm out from daylight till dark, usually. I'm just out here walking beaches. Go to several places today. Looks decent. It's kind of sanded in, but I have a shot. Everything's getting unthawed now, so I can look at more stuff I couldn't the other day. I'll get back if I see anything. Later. I'm out walking around, man. That's a bummer, ain't it? Look at the lettering on that old crock. Would have been big and awesome. Most of them broke on the river. I'm still looking. I'm gonna probably do a little bit of sifting, maybe. Don't know. I'm gonna look around and try to find something for a little bit anyway. Don't see nothing. Sometimes you can find, this was just laying right in this mud, but you can see the rock and stuff right on it. Be a good strip to melt detect. All this stuff's just laying that come out of the bank. I will get back if I see anything cool in my sifter down here later. Alright, I'm still out. It's snowing now. I've been out a long time. Haven't found nothing but flint, but I got my first artifact after about, I don't know, hour and a half of digging, 2 hours of walking. I'll go back and get it. It's a nutting stone. This is a place I don't look too often. And up here along the high bank, no one's looked here at all. And I have behind on looking, so basically I'm lucky. No one's been out in this weather at all. That's why I'm finding stuff. But where's it at? Let's see. Heck, I lost it now. I think it's up here. Yeah, it's up here. It's a nice little handheld one. Flip this big rock over too and see if nothing on that. But it's right here. Right in this pile of rocks. See, there's burn up fire rock here. But right there, it's a nutter. See the hole in it there. It's not bad. Later. Alright, I'm walking along. I got an artifact right in front of me. Later start today. My dog went outside and went doo-doo all over herself. So I had to bath her, and long morning, but I got her all cleaned up. But yesterday I looked for a good 6.5 hours probably, all over the place, and then he found a nutting stone. I get here, I've been out 20 minutes, and I got a real nice green Chert little blade laying out, knife, preform, whatever you want to call it, with a red tip. It's right in front of me. Go down on it, right there. Look here, folks, wash straight out of there. It's nice. It's a nice little preform, and it's, look how nice that green material is. It's got red up in here. It's probably a preform for some early archaic point, Amos or Kirk or something. Probably an Amos. I'll guess pretty nice. Later. Alright, see how there's mucky river mud right there, but there's a layer of gravel on it. Hear it in there? Some places it's thicker than other, and you can see it. That tells me that during the last high water, all that gravel came out of that bank. So that is like pay dirt for Indian artifacts. That's the kind of stuff you want. If it's just a normal gravel shore, this will become part of that, but it's up high enough that this is fresh, and that's what you want to sift. And that's what I'm doing. I'll get back if I see anything. Later. Alright, look at this. I haven't found nothing since that last knife. I'm in West Virginia now. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes right there. It's a crappy one, but I turned it on. Let's flip her over. Nothing. It's just a crapper. I ain't even taking that one. I thought there'd be big holes in the other side. Trying to look for nutting stones that have come out of the bank. That's how you do it right there. You have to flip them all over. But that looks like that knife's gonna be it for today. I've looked for a long time. It's pretty bad conditions, and you know, it's not that, but I found something, so I can't complain, you know. I've been finding something about every trip. I did yesterday too, but it was kind of a crappy day. I just found a nutting stone. You'll see that clip too. So in the last 24 hours, I got a nice little green knife today and a nutting stone. And I found some other stuff, but just junk. I'll get back on my next one later. Alright folks, got something nice I think up in there. I mostly look sites that I can find old stuff on, and I mostly look for Amos points. I look on sites that I can find them. Had to drive today to this place. I look at a lot still, even though I have to drive a good ways. I look at a bunch actually, but I don't find many points on it. But I know there's Amos's here, and they're usually different style. A lot of the double notched ones that are Leighton and like big sandy broad base hybrids I have from here. This isn't one of those, but it looks like a real nice one. A lot of them here aren't as serrated too. But see all this fire pit coming out here. See this broken up fire rock tumbling all down. You can see it, just remnants of it up here, but it kind of congregated right in here around this root. This stuff held its stuff in, and you see the point there? It's just laying in there. I can't tell if it's whole. Look at it there. Looks real nice. Oh man, oh folks, this has just an amazing needle tip on it. It's an absolute smoker. Let me get down here to the water. I got a ways to walk to get this washed off. I'm way up against the base of a real high bank looking at fire pits. Let me go wipe this off and I'll show you down by the water later. Well folks, look at the tip on this thing. That's just ridiculous. And I told you they're a little different, but there's ones that are classic, just like off the other site. Real serrated and just would match up with anything. And these are coming out of the same layer here with big sandy broad bases. And some of them have the Leighton base variation on them. And they're real small ones with a real concave base and are as highly polished as any point as you'll ever see. And this is really polished. Oh, just more so even in the notches, but heavily ground base. Just all of it's polished. That is a beauty, and it's green banded chert. And look at that needle tip. Yep, that's better than stuff the last few days anyway. That Arrowhead weight's nice, but man, this is a beaut. Later folks. Look down right there at that black thing. I thought that was a real nice paleo point or something from away, but it's a piece of, that made my heart skip a beat. I found some lances right in here too. Well, I'll get back if I see anything else. I'm still looking. Can't believe that last point. Up on the side of a bank like this. See, you can see the rock tumbling out. It's a perfect place to multi-tech too. Right here on this. This is hard packed below this, and we're not even close to the river. A lot of the best beaches on the river are the high ones for coins and stuff. It truly is. I don't see anything right here, but you can see I look at everything. That's how I find points. See, there's rock tumbling down. You want to look at all this stuff, or you're not going to find nothing. Because the one place you don't look might be where the one nice point's laying that you look for all day, and you don't want to leave it. I don't see nothing here. I will get back to you later. Alright, I'm back home. Here's recent points. Most of them from this year, and a couple of them are from last year, and they're recent. Like that one's December. But here's the point from today. It's an awful nice one. That needle tip, look at that. Got lucky. Couldn't believe it. The rain washed that one out. Last night it rained real hard. It washed it up in there on that, in that high bank area. You can get back and watch me finding all these on video on my channel. And I will try to get back to you on my next hunt. I'm gonna go let my dog run now and stuff. I'm not going to look anymore today. I'm whipped. But there's a good look at some point from this year. Later folks.